1965 Mercury Parklane minus $3,500. This classic 1965 Mercury Merdoor coupe is in good condition and features a powerful 8-cylinder, big block 390 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor and dual exhaust. The car is rear-wheel drive, runs on gasoline, and has an automatic transmission. The odometer reads 124,000 miles, though it has rolled over. The car has been stored in a barn since 1977 and includes air conditioning. The exterior is painted brown. Note that the title is missing. (1958) International Harvester A160 truck minus $3,500. This classic farm truck is in good condition and features a 6-cylinder engine with a manual transmission. It is rear-wheel drive and runs on gasoline. The exterior is painted red, and the truck has a clean title. This IT160 is a barn find and a testament to its era. Mileage details will be updated soon. 1958 Mercedes 220S sunroof sedan minus $3,500 OBO. This rare classic, one of approximately 700 built, features a 6-cylinder engine from a 1967 250S and runs well, with video proof available upon request. The car is rear-wheel drive with a manual transmission and has an odometer reading of 49,019 miles, though the odometer is broken. The exterior is painted blue, and it has a clean title, though the process to obtain a new title may be time-consuming due to the previous owners having passed away. This vehicle includes all parts necessary for restoration. It just needs to be assembled. 1964 Pontiac Lemons convertible minus $3,850. This rare project car is in fair condition and features a 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission and floor shift. It is rear-wheel drive and runs on gasoline, with an odometer reading of 100,000 miles. The car is painted blue and has a clean title. The interior includes a good back seat and bucket seats, though the driver's side needs upholstery. The glass is in good condition. While the engine runs and the transmission shifts, the car has no brakes and must be trailered. This vehicle is ideal as a parts car or for restoration. (1956) Ford minus $3,999. This project car features an 8-cylinder, 292 volts 8 engine with an automatic transmission and is rear-wheel drive. It has a custom paint job in Fiesta Red and Colonial White. This 2-door hardtop coupe from Florida comes with a clean title. The car includes a complete set of patched panels, fender skirts, body mounting kit, and has had the floor and frame repaired and painted. Additional parts include 2 fenders, 1 hood, 1 grille, front and rear bumpers, front parking lights, rear tail lights, left and right front doors, and 1 trunk. The car also comes with a complete set of glass, original upholstery, and all interior moldings in stainless steel. The dashboard is complete and includes a town and country radio. It also comes with a drive shaft and rear differential assembly. (1960) Corvair Coupe minus $3,000. This 2-door coupe with an automatic transmission is in fair condition and features a 4-cylinder engine. It is rear-wheel drive and runs on gasoline, with an odometer reading of 10,000 miles. The exterior is painted blue, but the title is missing. This vehicle needs a complete restoration. However, it includes all original, unbroken windows and trim. The interior is in poor condition, and the radio was stolen 40 years ago. The motor and transmission are original. In the early 1970s, an oil plug seal broke, causing all the oil to drain out. The car was towed home and has not been driven since, remaining a project car that was never completed. 1950 GMC Sierra truck minus $3,750 OBO. This 1.5-ton GMC 450 is a super clean truck with good cab corners, though it requires floor repair. The truck has a motor that was reported to run when parked and comes with a clean California title. Additionally, it features a PTO, power takeoff, and has a history as a beer distribution truck. This vehicle would make a great hot rod, flatbed, or advertisement piece. It is located in Citrus Heights, CA. Please, serious inquiries only. Thanks for looking. This listing is posted for a friend. (1964) Pontiac Star Chief ($3,200). This classic car has a great body and features a V8 engine with a good transmission. The engine and transmission are in good condition, but the vehicle needs a carburetor to run. This Pontiac Star Chief is an excellent restoration project for enthusiasts looking to bring a vintage car back to life. (1967) Volkswagen Beetle ($3,800). This Beetle has been driven 3,109 miles and features a manual transmission. Originally intended as a keeper project, this very clean Beetle has an original body with a few dents and dings, but the clips are perfect. The 1967 model is unique with its one-year-only parts, all still present and functioning. It has been repainted green once, but the original blue paint is visible underneath, offering a good patina for those who appreciate it or a solid base for restoration. Note that the car does not have bumpers and is not currently running. The engine is frozen. The pan has a sheet metal patch riveted on. It features rare factory uni vents installed on the horn grills for fresh air circulation and retains the factory pop-out windows, essential for the uni vent option. This vehicle is an ideal project for restoration enthusiasts. (1964) Plymouth Voyager ($3,100). This classic cruiser project is a 1964 Valiant 200 with an automatic transmission. The exterior color is off-white, complemented by a tan interior. It comes equipped with new tires, fuel, and water pump, and it runs and drives smoothly. Powered by a 225cc six-cylinder engine, it features a push-button transmission. The car retains its all-original AM radio, which functions well. Although it hasn't been registered or on the road in nearly 20 years, it remains a solid, rust-free vehicle, an ideal canvas for restoration enthusiasts.